GeoByte.
Hi students, welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, I am going to explain the solutions for exercise 2.2 for the mathematics 6th class chapter 2. The chapter name is whole numbers. Dear students, I hope you have watched the previous video. In the previous video, I have explained the solutions for the problem number 1 and problem number 2. In this video, the remaining all problems we are going to discuss. Let us start the problem number 3. Look at the problem 3. Find the value of the following. You are asked to find the values of the following. Bit A 297 multiplied by 17 plus 297 multiplied by 3. Bit B 54279 multiplied by 92 plus 8 multiplied by 54279. Similarly, bit C is 81265 multiplied by 169 minus 81265 multiplied by 69. Bit D is quite lengthy problem. 3845 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 782 plus 769 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 218. First let us take the bit A. Look at the bit A 297 multiplied by 17 plus 297 multiplied by 3. Now if you observe clearly, it is in the form of A into B plus A into C. As you know, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Now you can write this relation in terms of A into B plus C. Let us write that one. A is 297 into 17 plus 3. What is the value of 17 plus 3? 20 only. Write that value. 297 multiplied by 20. Now what you do is, you multiply 297 with 2. You are getting some value. After that value, you can place the 0. Let us do that part. 297 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 7 equal to 14. 1, 4. 2 multiplied by 9, 18 plus 1, 19, 1, 9. 2 multiplied by 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So 297 into 2, this 297 into 2 is 594. 594. Then you place this 0 here for getting your answer. The answer is 5940. I hope all of you clearly understood. Similarly, let us move to the bit B. Look at the bit B. 54279 multiplied by 92 plus 8 multiplied by 54279. It is also like this: A into B plus A into C. It can be written as A into B plus C. Now this is the A, B, C, again A. Here what can I write? A can be written outside. This A can be written outside. 54279 multiplied by B. The B value is 92 plus C. The C value is 8. What is the 92 plus 8, my dear students? 100, round figure. 54279 multiplied by 100. You write 54279. After that, you place these two zeros. 0, 0. You got your answer. See how simply you are getting the answer. I hope all of you clearly understood. Now let us move to the bit C. Look at the bit C. 81265 multiplied by 169 minus 81265 multiplied by 69. Now it is in the form of A into B minus A into C. It can be written as A into B minus C. From the given numbers, let us assume 81265 be the A, 169 is B, this is A, 69 is C. It can be written as 81265, that is the A value, multiplied by the B. The B value is how much? 169. 169 minus C. C equal to 69. 69. 81265 multiplied by what is the value of 169 minus 69? Round figure 100. The problem is very easy now. It can be written as 81265 multiplied by 100 means you just keep these two zeros after this number. 0, 0. You got your answer. I hope all of you clearly understood. Look at the fourth problem. Find the product using suitable properties. Bit A is 738 multiplied by 103. Bit B is 854 multiplied by 102. Bit C is 258 multiplied by 1008. Bit D is 1005 multiplied by 168. First let us take the bit A, 738 multiplied by 103. Look at the bit A, 738 multiplied by 103. I am going to write this part like 738 multiplied by 100 plus 3. 103 equal to 100 plus 3. Here I am making use of distributive property. Using distributive property. Distributive property means we are distributing this 103 as 100 plus 3. Now it can be written as, now it is in the form of A into B plus C. A into B plus C can be written as A into B plus A into C. So it can be written as 738 into 100. This is A into B plus A into C plus A 738 into 3. As we know, 738 into 100, it is very easy to write. 738, after this number write these two zeros plus this value. Let me multiply 738 with 3. 738 with 3. 3 multiplied by 8, 24. Write 4 here, 2 balance. 3 multiplied by 3, 9 plus 2, 11. Write 1 here, 1 balance. 3 multiplied by 7, 21 plus 1, 22. 2 to 1 4. 2 to 1 4 be the value of 738 multiplied by 3. Let me write that value. 2 to 1 4. Now let us add these two numbers. Here I need the space. 7 3 8 0 0 2 2 1 4. 0 plus 4 equal to 4. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. 8 plus 2, 10. 0, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 6. Finally this 7. So 7 7 6 0 1 4 is the answer. I hope all of you clearly understood. Dear students, I have been observing the each and every point at your understanding level. Now let us take the bit B. Look at the bit B, 854 multiplied by 102. By using the distributive law, I can write this one 100 plus 2. It is equal to 854 multiplied by 100 plus 2. What property we used here? We are using distributive property. Using distributive property. Distributive property. Right. So it can be written as, this is in the form of A into B plus C. It is in the it can be written as A into B plus A into C. Now this is the A, 854 into B, A into B is 100 into 100 plus A into C. This is the A is 854 into C, this is the C, into 2. It is equal to 854 into 100. First write the 854 as it is. After that keep these two zeros plus 854 into 2. Let us do that part. 854 into 2. 2 multiplied by 4, 8. 2 multiplied by 5, 10. Write 0 here, 1 balance. 2 multiplied by 8, 16, plus 1, 17. So this value equal to 1708. Now let us add these two numbers. Let me add those two numbers. The first number 8, 5, 4, 0, 0 plus 1708. 1708. Let us add 0 plus 8, 8. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 7, 11. 1, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 5 plus 1, 7. 8. It is equal to 87108. I hope all of you clearly understood. Dear students, I tried to explain the each and every point. While you are practicing, if you find any difficulty, you please send your doubt to GeoByte. Definitely I will answer within 24 hours. Shall I move to the bit C? Yes. Look at the bit C. 258 multiplied by 1008. For this problem, you can distribute the 1008 as 1000 plus 8. It means for this problem also we are using the distributive property. It is equal to 258 multiplied by 1000 plus 8. We are using distributive property. Distributive property is using. Now it can be written as 258 into 1000 plus 258 into 8. Let me write that. 258 into 1000 plus 258 into 8. This 258 into 1000 I can write as 258 000 plus 258 into 8. 258 multiplied by 8. 8 multiplied by 8, 64. 4, 6 balance. 8 multiplied by 5, 40 plus 6, 46. 4 balance. 8 multiplied by 2, 16 plus 4, 20. 2064 be the value of 258 multiplied by 8. Write that value. 2064. Now add these two numbers. 258 000 plus 2064. 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 6, 6. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 2, 10. 0, 1. 5 plus 1, 6. Finally 2. So it is equal to 26006. 260064. 260064. I hope all of you clearly understood. Now let us move to the bit D. Look at the bit D. 1005 into 168. Dear students, here you write this 1005 as 1000 plus 5. Again we are using distributive property. So it can be written as 1000 plus 5 multiplied by 168. So it can be written as 1000 multiplied by 168, 1000 multiplied by 168 plus 5 multiplied by 168. 5 multiplied by 168. For this case also we are using distributive property. Using distributive property. Distributive property. Now I can use bracket like this because 168 multiplied by 1000 is 168. After that place the 3 digits plus this value 5 multiplied by 168. 168 multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 8. 40. Write 4 here. 0. 5 multiplied by 6. 30 plus 4. 34. 4. 3 balance. 5 multiplied by 1. 5 plus 3. 8. It is 840. 840. Now let us add this number and this number. It is 1 minute. 1 minute. 168,000 plus 840. 840. Let us add these two numbers 0, 4, 8, 8, 6, 1. 168840. 168840 be the value of this 168 multiplied by 1005. I hope you understood very clearly. Similarly, let us move to the fifth problem. Look at the fifth problem. It is a word problem. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day, he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. Okay. If the petrol cost is rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? The solution is like this. Solution. What is the quantity of petrol filled on Monday? Monday it is 40 liters. Quantity of petrol filled on Monday is equal to 40 liters. The next day means what is the day after Monday? Day after Monday is Tuesday. He filled the tank with 50 liters. Quantity of petrol filled on Tuesday. On Tuesday is equal to 50 liters. 50 liters. Now, if the petrol cost is rupees 44 per liter, cost of petrol per liter is equal to rupees 44. You are asked to find what is the total money he spent. How much did he spend in all on petrol? What is the total money spent? Total money spent by taxi driver is how much? Okay. First, let us decide the total quantity of petrol used. Total quantity of petrol on 2 days. 2 days means Monday plus Tuesday. Monday it is 40 liters. Tuesday 50 liters. So 40 plus 50. It is equal to 90 liters. Total amount of petrol used is 90 liters. But what is the cost of petrol of 1 liter? 44 rupees. 1 liter cost is 44 rupees. But he has taken 90 liters of petrol. Therefore, total money spent by taxi driver is equal to number of liters 90 multiplied by the liter cost 44. So 44 multiplied by 9. 9 multiplied by 4, 36. 6, 3 balance. Again 9 multiplied by 4, 36 plus 3, 39. 396. It is equal to 396. 1 minute. 396. After that you place this 0. So 3960 is the 3960 rupees the taxi driver has to spend. I hope all of you clearly understood. Now let us move to the sixth problem. Look at the sixth problem. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk cost is rupees 45 per liter, how much money he is due to vendor per day? You are asked to decide how much money he got for that total milk. The solution is the quantity of milk supplied quantity of milk supplied in the morning. In the morning, how many liters he supplied? 32 liters. 32 liters. Okay. In the evening, 68 liters. Quantity of milk supplied in the evening. In the evening, equal how many liters? 68 liters. 68 liters. The milk cost per liter is 45 rupees. Cost of the milk per liter is equal to rupees 45. Rupees 45. What is the total cost? Total cost of milk is how much? Now first let us find how many liters he supplied. Total milk supplied. Total milk supplied by vendor. Milk supplied by vendor equal to milk supplied in the morning 32 liters plus milk supplied in the evening 68 liters. 32 plus 68. 32 plus 68 is equal to 100. It is like this. 1 minute. 32 plus 68. Let us add these two. Plus 2 plus 8, 10. 0, 1. 1 plus 3 plus 6 is 10. So 100 liters. 100 liters. 1 minute. Liters. Now the total cost. Total cost is equal to the number of liters 100 multiplied by liter cost. Liter cost is 45. 45. It is equal to 4500 rupees. So it is equal to rupees 45. Rupees 45. This is the amount that milk vendor can get in a day. I hope all of you clearly understood. Now let us move to the last problem. Look at the seventh problem. 425 into 136 is equal to 425 into 6 plus 30 plus 100. It means this 136 is distributed as 6 plus 30 plus 100. Since it is distributed in the multiplication under addition, therefore that is called distributivity of multiplication over addition. Look at the second bit. 2 multiplied by 49 multiplied 50 equal to 2 into 50 into 49. In the multiplication, these two numbers are interchanged. Since these two numbers are interchanged in the multiplication, that kind of rearrangement is called commutativity under multiplication. The last one, 80 plus 2005 plus 20 is equal to 80 plus 20 plus 2005. This is the addition. In this addition, these two numbers are interchanged. That kind of interchange of the numbers in the addition is called commutativity under addition. So this is connected to commutativity under addition. This is connected to commutativity under multiplication. This is connected to distributivity of multiplication over addition. Now come to the A, commutativity under multiplication. So commutativity under multiplication is linked to this one. Okay. Next, commutativity under addition. Commutativity under addition is linked to this one. Next, distributivity of multiplication over addition linked to this one. It means 1C is correct. 2A is correct. And 3B is correct. 1C is correct. 2A is correct. 3B is correct. That is the correct matching of the given numbering. I hope all of you clearly understood. With this, my dear friends, I am concluding this video. In the next video, I will discuss some other topic. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Please subscribe our channel called GeoByte. Once again, have a great day.
GeoByte.